Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Zbtlink router. And to do this, first make sure that your router is on, that the LED lamp is flashing like this. It's in green right now. That means the Wi-Fi is on. And now what we want to do is to look on the back, and next to the power source there's a reset button. You'll need to take something thin like a SIM card needle and press on that button. And there's no specified instructions about it, but I hold it for around 30 seconds. And also let's at the same time show you the LED lamp, as the LED lamp itself should turn red when the reset is happening. Okay, now I'm gonna let go of the button, and router should restore to the default settings, and wait till the LED lamp is green again. If this takes longer than 10 minutes, I would suggest to unplug the power source and plug it back on, and then it should turn on normally. So as you can see, it doesn't turn back on, and here I'm gonna unplug it. Wait about 20 seconds till all of the power is gone. Now plug it back on, and here let's wait till the LED lamp is green again. As you can see, it's working again, and all of the settings should be restored to default, so all of the passwords or configuration website settings that you've changed are back to the factory state. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.